Best foods for pancreas after 50. Hello and welcome to this video on the best foods for supporting pancreatic health after the age of 50. As we age, it's important to pay attention to our diet and make sure we are getting the nutrients we need to maintain good health. The pancreas is a gland located in the abdomen that plays a vital role in the body, producing hormones such as insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels, and enzymes that aid in digestion. Maintaining good pancreatic health is important for proper digestion, blood sugar control, and overall health. So what are some of the best foods for supporting pancreatic health after the age of 50? Here are 6 examples. But before proceed, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to watch these type of informative videos. Number 1. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as whole wheat, oats, and quinoa, are rich in fiber and nutrients and can help support pancreatic function. They are also slower to digest, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 2. Fruits. Fruits, especially those that are high in antioxidants and low in sugar, such as berries and apples, can support pancreatic health. Antioxidants can help protect the pancreas from damage, while low-sugar fruits can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are high in healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients and can support pancreatic function. They can also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are high in fiber and protein and can support pancreatic health. They are also low in fat and can help reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer. Number 5. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and can support pancreatic function. They are also low in calories and can help with weight management, which is important for pancreatic health. Number 6. Fish. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, are high in omega-3 fatty acids and can support pancreatic health. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can protect the pancreas from damage. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of the many foods that can support pancreatic health. It's always a good idea to eat a varied and balanced diet in order to get all the nutrients your body needs. In addition to these specific foods, there are also certain lifestyle habits that can support pancreatic health. These include maintaining a healthy weight, getting regular physical activity, managing stress, and not smoking. It's also a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your pancreatic health. In conclusion, by including these 6 foods in your diet and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can support the health of your pancreas and maintain good overall health as you age. Remember to eat a varied and balanced diet and speak with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your pancreatic health. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.